Hello everybody, in this video I'm gonna show you how to put an image inside the heart shape. I already created a heart shape in my Photoshop document and I have imported an image which one I want to insert into the heart. I have this heart in my stage, so I am taking this girl's photo into the stage of heart. So since the image is bigger, much bigger than heart, we can reduce the size by pressing Ctrl and T from keyboard and decrease the width and height. So I think this is the professional size. Okay, now you need to make sure that the image, which is the girl image, should be top of the heart shape, and this is, we see the image already on top of the heart shape in the stage, also in the layer panel. What we need to do is go to layer and create clipping mask, or Ctrl Alt G from the keyboard. You see the girl is inserted into the heart shape. Now we can reduce the size even more to make it more fit in the heart shape. I think this is okay. Now we can add some layer style on this heart shape. From the heart layer, click on the right hand side of the layer. Layer style window will appear. Add drop down shadow. Let's add red drop down shadow. Make it distance. Size is little size, this one, and maybe we can put a stroke. I'm putting stroke in white color and make the value 2, and this is how we can put the image in heart shape. In fact, in this process you can put the image in any kind of shape in Photoshop. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe my channel and like, comment, share the video. Thank you very much.